morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's 10. Why am I searching for the time? It's 10 a.m. I just did arms this morning, went on a walk, had a meeting, and I've just been working. I'm working from bed right now. I kind of hop back and forth all day because I get bored of one spot. I just started watching Tell Me Lies because Catherine told me to, and it is so good. So I'm currently watching it as I work, but today I'm working on, it's a big graphic day. Okay, just ignore the state of my room, but it's Kyle's birthday tomorrow, so tonight my mom, me, and Kyle are going bowling and we're going to dinner. So yeah, I just changed into a little fit, a bit nicer than my leggings and hoodie I was wearing before. And I'm just gonna put a jacket on and let's go. Walking over here.
I know what you're saying back there.
What did I say?
You're like, oh, look at her. She's looking, she lost something.
Who did say that?
She doesn't know. Love me.
What?
Oh, yeah. Get it, blondie. Yeah. Better. Thank you.
Good stuff, good stuff.
I thought I broke my nail.
There you go.
Oh.
Look at that man, ready to go. Go, brother. Go, brother.
It's the birthday boy.
Hit the birthday.
He's so good, guys.
So good.
So mom clearly won. I don't know. I did pretty good with 140 with mom's 197. Look at the reflection. Yeah. Birthday, it's to you.
Get it going.
Happy birthday, it's dear Kyle. Happy birthday to you. Ooh.
Whoa. It's R-rated.
Shit. It was a really fun night. I'm so bad at bowling, but it's so much fun, you know. But I'm going to bed. So I'll see you guys bright and early because tomorrow is an office day. I don't really know how much I'll be able to vlog just because I'm going to be at a conference and stuff. Honestly, I probably won't bring you guys. That's kind of weird. Good morning, guys. I'm heading out to go to the office now. I'm just wearing my crew neck. It's gonna be a long day because I'm gonna have some office time working together, and then I'm going to go to a conference trade show vibe and then come right back, sit in traffic for probably an hour or two, and it's right into Kyle's birthday dinner with my grandma. I know, Kyle gets 2 birthday celebrations this year. Probably won't see you guys till Kyle's birthday or after that. Because I can't really vlog this, so wish me luck. Bday, Kyle!
Listen to music, but you can't hear it. It's popping.
I'm just munching on all these appies. I'm home from the conference and it was long, but it was fine. But I'm hungry, so yeah.
I want you to know.
So fruity.
He's fruity.
To you, happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday. Let's go walking. Look at me. I'm looking amazing. Okay, vlog. I'm going on my run. I'm gonna try to do 6.8, which would be the farthest I've done. Because I'm trying to go slow. Because I'm literally not a runner. I've said this so many times. So last time I did 6.5. So this time we'll do 6.8. And the next time we'll do 7K. So yeah, but I'm gonna go on my run. I'm gonna use this as my lunch break, and then I'll just eat lunch as I work. It's gonna be very easy. It's been a minute. I went on my run. It was so hard, and ever since it, I feel awful. I did 7K, but now my head, I think I just didn't drink enough water before or something. My head is pounding, and I'm just dying. Anyways, I'm just going. Everyone's been asking for everything from me from work. I just had a meeting, which actually went pretty good, so that's nice. And then, oh, there's so much. I have to do so many things, and it's 3, and I have to literally pack, get ready for this dinner, drive to the dinner in the next 2 hours. But I'm gonna go run to Starbucks and get a coffee to power me through because I'm driving to Muskoka from this holiday work dinner, which I don't even know if I've told you about. I have a holiday dinner tonight with my team. Well, let's go get Starbucks quick because it's 3 and I need to pick me up and I need to grind. I'm stressed. I have 20 minutes to hack, face, whatever. Let's go. Okay, I literally need to leave right now. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the jacket, this sweater, it's professional, whatever. Other pants, docs. Cause I have to bring these shoes to Muskoka and I'm not gonna bring heels to Muskoka. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, I'm on my way. That was such a stressful, long day. I can't believe like the whole thing. I literally woke up and I was like, oh, I'm just chilling, going on my run. And as soon as I went on my run, it was just, but yeah, I'm on my way. I should be there like just on time. And if you know me, I get so anxious about timing. So thank God, because I was literally like rushing out the door. I probably forgot something I meant to bring to Muskoka, but whatever. Yeah, so wild that I'm literally going to this dinner and then going straight to Skokes. I'm gonna have like a bit of FOMO just because everyone's gonna kind of be partying, but I was gonna drive regardless, so just works out. Then I can just go to Muskoka, but I'm so excited that I'm going to Muskoka. I feel like I haven't been there in forever, so it's gonna be so good to be back. Like literally, there's nothing to do up there, but like, what would I be doing here anyways, you know? So super excited. I'm gonna see my Muskoka friends tomorrow, I think, which will be really fun. I have another 47 minutes to go because it is a little bit far from me, but I'm literally just sitting in straight bumper to bumper because it is 5:40 p.m.
I wanna spend the night at hers.
It's now midnight. I made it to my cottage. The work dinner party thing was really fun. We just have such a good team, and like on my boss's like dad's side of work and stuff, they're all so cool too. It's just like, it's nice to be working with good people, you know? So that was really fun. As you can tell, it's cold. Might look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but made it up north. Everyone thought I was literally insane, which I am insane because it's midnight and I just got here and I have work tomorrow. So needless to say, I won't be doing a morning workout. I look baked, but I'm just tired. Cottage to myself tonight. I think my brother's gonna come up tomorrow for the weekend, but my plan was to come here regardless of anyone coming, so I'm happy to be here. Dinner was yummy. I had a bunch of appies and some ravioli. Didn't have any drinks because I was driving here. It looked really fun. Like I would have loved to. I haven't been here in like a month, and this is truly where I feel most myself and happy and at home. So I'm so happy to be here, and I honestly love being here alone. People think that's really creepy, being in like the woods alone, but I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go because I literally looked baked, which means I should go to bed. Good morning. I did literally just throw this back on from last night because it's still a little chilly in here. The heat's still going, but it's 8:30. I've just been laying in bed. I forgot how nice mornings are here alone. It's so peaceful and quiet. And look how beautiful the sun is just rising over there. This part's like a slushy ice, but it's not fully frozen. All the water's there. But wow, I just love it here. I'm so happy. I'm going for a run. I washed this. I know I wore it yesterday, but it's like the warmest piece of clothing I have, and this is gonna be cold. But I'm gonna go on a run now, come back, shower, and then go to Starbucks and get working. So let's go do a little 6K. Run done. I'm just literally wearing comfy clothes. I'm just gonna be working at a Starbucks for a few hours, so I might as well be comfy. Ooh, it's windy. But my run was not good. My hip was really hurting, so I don't know, so I just took it easy. It was also icy, so I was like trying to not fall. So it was definitely a slower, more walking than usual, but still did it, so that's what matters. But I'm gonna see if there's any food here to make. If not, I'll just get something at Starbucks, but I can't find an outlet that works, so I'm literally about to straighten my hair in the kitchen because these pieces drive me crazy. But yeah, I'm just seeing If I can find any breakfast, if not, that's okay. It's 2. I just was in that Starbucks for like, when did I get there? I think I got there at like 10, something. I don't know. A lot of hours. I'm gonna grab some Pong cups and balls for tonight, and then I'm gonna go to Lickbo and grab some stuff, and then I'm gonna grab coffee creamer so I don't have to buy coffee every morning while I'm here. Even though I wouldn't mind, but I'm literally, I can't even make this up. I'm leaving Starbucks. I'm like starting to pack my stuff up. This little boy comes up to me, he's probably like 6 or 7, and he was like, do you know Joe? And I was like, oh my god, is he lost or something? And I was like, Joe who? Like, what's his last name? And he goes, Joe Mama, and then he sprints and runs away. I was like, did that just happen to me? Anyways, let's go run these little errands. Home, I just got a pre-made salad mix, and I bought like some pre-cooked chicken and just added to it. And I'm gonna watch Tell Me Lies as I eat that and do some more work.
DIY.
Nothing like a phone charger that can't fix the day.
Yeah, I listened in school. Please.
Duh.
I'm ready for my Calvin Klein commercial. Give me like raspberry, beer, vodka soda. Cheers. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, chug it. Chug. Come on. Yeah, boy.
Wow, that was fast.
Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey guys, Brad back for another recap. We're back at now we're back at Kent, beautiful Kenz's cottage. Now as you guys can see, I know you guys are waiting for the beautiful Nick's back, baby. We got Nick back in the vlog. He's back. He's back. Yo, we got a 3-peat, baby. Yeah, we got Nick, we got Kyle, yeah, Morgan, and first we got beautiful Morgan, and even watch how many beautiful. Listen, hey guys,
Bradley Robinson, Nick McGuire.
Brad,
2022.
Nick here, baby. We're back for another recap, playing a little beer pong, a little bit of flip cup. We got our new pal Eric in the group as well.
Left boat. No.
Hey, Kyle.
How's my butt look?
Hey, Kyle's gonna go make eggs.
Yay.
Cause it's essential. Ha ha ha.
Sweater's fake. I made the small towel. Oh my god, my toes are freezing.
Kyle's jumping into water. This is gonna be so cold. You're gonna get sick.
Yeah.
Run inside. Run. Bye.
Why?